Have you ever dreamed of escaping the chaos of city life and immersing yourself in nature's embrace? Picture waking up to the melodious songs of birds, surrounded by pristine forests and breathtaking landscapes. Welcome to Kumari Nature Camp of Similipal Tiger Reserve, where sustainability and adventure go hand in hand. Nestled amidst the untamed beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, the eco-cottages of Similipal Tiger Reserve offer a unique opportunity to connect with nature while leaving a minimal carbon footprint. These beautifully designed cottages not only provide a comfortable stay but also serve as an inspiration for sustainable tourism. These cottages are a testament to the combined effort of the local communities, conservationists, and the Similipal Forest Department, who have joined hands to create a harmonious haven for both wildlife and tourists alike. There's no shortage of things to do at Similipal Tiger Reserve. From guided nature walks to thrilling safaris, every day brings a new adventure. But it's not just about the wildlife. Similipal Tiger Reserve is a melting pot of diverse cultures, and you'll have the opportunity to experience the warm hospitality of the indigenous tribes who call this place home.
Been to a small trek inside the Gurgudia nature camp, and we saw the orchid garden here and also the river front here. It's beautiful, one of the best places.
बहुत अच्छा सर्विस देता है, खाना भी बहुत बढ़िया है, एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत बढ़िया है। सबको यहाँ आना चाहिए देखने के लिए। इतना सुंदर जगह है, इतना साफ सुथरा है, पूरा जगह एकदम वेल प्लान्ड है। यहाँ का जो स्टाफ लोग है वो लोग का भी बहुत अच्छा बिहेवियर है, और 2 दिन कैसे कट गया हमको पता भी नहीं चला, इतना सुंदर था।
I have been working as a receptionist in Kumari Nature Camp for the last 2 years. Tourists come here to enjoy the various folk dances. There is also a facility for this in our nature camp. Artists of nearby villages perform for the guests. With ecotourism here, we and the people of the surrounding areas can earn our livelihood by doing different jobs. When tourists are happy and satisfied with our service, we also get a lot of encouragement. We are always ready to welcome visitors.
So, if you are seeking an unforgettable adventure, where you can contribute directly to conservation efforts and immerse yourself in the wonders of nature, look no further than the eco-cottages of Similipal Tiger Reserve. Book your stay now and embark on a journey that will leave you inspired and in awe of this incredible planet we call home.